Colorado lows that have been streaming across the nation have been wreaking havoc this winter, and this system staying a little bit south of us. Track is always important with these systems, but those Colorado lows, if they tap into Gulf of Mexico moisture like this one does, can really dump the snow. We're going to go over that, but right now as we look outside, we do have some hazy skies. Our southern counties stand to see some impacts through the overnight and into tomorrow, and some of us will also see some potential for accumulating snow in our day tomorrow. As a result of this system, most of the energy and snowfall, though, will stay well to our south. 23 at Hector, 25 at Moorheads Airport. Our temperatures have risen 3 to 5 degrees over the last couple of hours. Our wind from the north at 6 miles per hour. Grand Forks, a look on the dike there. We do have some light snow reported. 23 degrees your temperature, north wind 5 miles per hour. We're starting to see this cold pool of air being pinched back farther as the 20s have now made their way through the Red River Valley and are working into parts of central North Dakota right now. 28 in Brainerd still, 27 in Wadena, and 25 for Detroit Lakes. Visibility is most reduced out in the central Dakotas right now, a mile or less at times along I-94, and it's really clearing out quite nicely in western Minnesota. That's not the case with cloud cover, though. That is on the increase down to the south. And in these clouds where we see the brighter whites, those are colder cloud tops, and some of those may be capable of producing some mist, freezing drizzle as we head through the night. So that could once again create slippery and slidey roads for your morning commute. Here's the latest on the snow moving through La Crosse. That's Wisconsin. It's working its way into southeastern Minnesota, heading up toward the Twin Cities. Most of northern Iowa seeing heavy snow. The heaviest of the snow just to the south there, as you can see, is Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Now this storm system, this is the last 18 hours, really blossomed as it worked its way through central Nebraska. Now some of the heavier snow bands are parked right over northern Iowa, and it really is elongating. That energy getting stretched out over hundreds of miles now, starting to cut off that moisture supply a little bit out in Nebraska. But as we take a look at our snow band locator, where you see the pinks and these whites, those are the bullseyes. Ground reports of 20 or more inches in spots, so up to 20 plus inches of snow central Nebraska. Down to the south of I-80 there was some rain mixing in, so those snowfall amounts were just a little lighter. An active tornado warning right now down to the south from this same system. For us, fog and clouds out to the west, temperatures hovering steady through the overnight hours. We rise and shine near 20 degrees, and that's where we'll stay put through the day tomorrow. Our wind out of the north, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Hit and miss areas of light flurries in our area. The best chance for some snow will be in our easternmost counties, closer to the path of this system. There could be some accumulation in these areas, and the accumulation really won't build up till that afternoon drive home. The rest of the day, we have to contend with that potential for ice or slippery roads. So please give yourself extra time, more of the same. Under an inch for almost all of our viewing area. I do think we'll have a slight chance at an inch or so down near the South Dakota border. And if you're in our eastern counties from eastern Otter Tail out east, that's Hubbard. That is also Douglas County and on out into portions near Brainerd, 1 to 3 inches possible, with even more out toward the Twin Cities. North winds, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Upper teens to around 20 degrees throughout the day, a little on the breezy side with slippery roads. And send Hutch out for pizza. This is what he comes back with. I'll try harder next time. Here's a look at your planning forecast. 20 degrees on Friday after a cold morning. We improve things into the mid-20s. Saturday, a keeper. Sunday, some sunshine there. You see it peeking out of the bottom of the cloud? I'll take that. 2 Sundays of sun in a row. Monday, we can look toward our friends in Alberta for sending us a clipper our